Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast. My name is John, and today we are going to discover your English level together. You don't need a test, you don't need grammar questions, and you don't need a teacher next to you. All you need is your ears and a little focus. In this episode, you will listen to 6 short stories. Each story represents one English level. If one story feels easy and the next one feels difficult, that's perfect. That's how you find your real level. Let's begin with the first level.
My name is Alex. I am 25 years old. I live with my family in a small house. The house is simple but comfortable. We have a small kitchen and a living room. I have a dog. His name is Leo. I like my dog very much. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed and wash my face. I eat a simple breakfast. I usually drink tea with my breakfast. After that, I brush my teeth. Then I go to work. I work in a small shop near my home. I walk to work every day. It takes about 10 minutes. At work, I help customers and take money. My boss is kind and friendly. In the afternoon, I finish work and go home. I feel tired but relaxed. In the evening, I watch TV or listen to music. Before I sleep, I think about my day. My life is simple, but I feel happy.
My name is Mark. I live in an apartment near the city center. It is not very big, but it is comfortable and clean. I work in an office during the week. My job starts in the morning and ends in the afternoon. I usually walk to work because it is close. When the weather is bad, I take the bus. At work, I answer emails and make phone calls. I also talk to customers and help my team. My coworkers are friendly and helpful. At lunchtime, we eat together and talk. Sometimes we talk about work. Sometimes we talk about our weekend plans. After work, I usually go to the gym. I exercise for about 1 hour. Exercise helps me relax after a long day. In the evening, I go home and cook dinner. I often watch TV while eating. On weekends, my routine is different. I meet my friends in the city. We drink coffee, walk around, and talk for hours.
My name is Nina. I work as a designer, and creative work is a big part of my life. Over the years, I've learned that work is not only about money, it is also about learning, growth, and purpose. In the past, I've followed routines without thinking deeply. One day I realized I wanted more control over my time and decisions. That realization was uncomfortable. Change is never easy, especially at first. But staying the same can slowly make you unhappy. Now, I think more carefully about my choices. I listen more and speak with more intention. Silence helps me reflect and understand myself. I've learned that language, like life, is about connection.
So, where did it become difficult for you? That point shows your true level. Thank you for listening to EasySpeak podcast. Keep listening, keep learning.